Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps in dark mode, so let's get right into it. Now to use Google Maps in dark mode, there are differing methods for different platforms. On the mobile platforms, it is the same in between Android and iPhone. However, on PC, there is a big difference in what you need to do. So I'll start with the PC since that's what I have up on my screen right now. And what you need to do for PC, because you cannot force a dark theme on maps for some odd reason. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to just install an extension. There are several extensions which actually force a dark theme on certain web pages or web page elements, and you're going to need to find the extension that best fits your wishes for the dark mode on Google Maps. Now that's it for the PC. For mobile, you need to do something a bit different. You just need to go into your settings on your account. So what you need to do is just go into Google Maps and then tap on your account initial or icon in the top right. Then you're going to need to go into settings, and then you're going to need to go into theme. And once you're in theme, that is pretty much where you select what you want to do. You can select either automatic, which means it just takes on your theme on your device. You can select light or you can select dark. And yeah, there you just need to select a dark mode, and that's going to enable it for Google Maps. And that's, as far as I'm aware, going to enable it for both, well, just looking up the maps and for navigation, but I might be mistaken on that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.